Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset your Skullcandy Indy Evo earbuds. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, let's take out the earbuds from the case. And to reset your earbuds, it's quite easy. You just have to hold both of the earbuds in your hand and tap on them on the same time and hold for 10 seconds. And this is going to reset and clear all the settings of the earbuds. You just tap and count to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when you reach 10, it's going to light up both lights, as you can see, in red and blue. It's blinking. And now it's resetting and clearing all the information. And now you can connect a new device, or you can reconnect your device if you had problems. Resetting and clearing your earbuds can help you if you have connection problems. Sometimes the two earbuds lose each other and they are working separately, or you can hear only in one earbud, which can be very frustrating. But with this technique, you reset your earbuds, you connect them again to your device, and everything should work fine after that, which is very easy and cool way. So again, you just tap and hold for 10 seconds and the earbuds restart, you connect them, and everything works fine. If you don't want to do this right away when you have a problem, you can just turn off your earbuds and turn them on again. Maybe that helps. But if don't, you can anytime reset your earbuds and they will pretty much work perfectly after you do that. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.